Hey guys, welcome to this channel. This is my first video of this channel, and the cameraman behind this is Sergi. Wait, if you're wondering whose car this is actually mine. It's an Acura RSX manual. Guys, and in this channel, I'm gonna try to film pranks. Why am I holding the mic? I'm gonna try to film pranks, DJI shots, kids camps, field days, everything like that. School vids, hacks, everything. Hey guys, and a little information about me. I live in Spanaway in Tacoma. Why am I holding a mic? If you guys have any video suggestions, leave it down in the comments. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell. I will be giving out shout outs to everyone who does that. And yeah. Guys, also check out this video that we shot at Moses Lake Scenic View with our DJI. Short little clip. Well, not really, but still, it's super filthy, and I'm trying to make more and trying to progress in this channel. Stay tuned. guys, make sure to subscribe to all of my friends. WizKidPhil #1, Joseph Drones or Joseph Backflips #2, Dan the Man 140 #3, The Blind Gardener #4, and stay tuned for another video. Peace, guys.